an adult. I'm a state certified driving instructor, teach adults and teens. We're going to go ahead and take you through the process. When you're learning how to drive, you want to have a good instructor who's going to be patient, kind, and willing to take you through all the processes from getting in the car, setting up your mirrors, to getting you to the DMV. I'm at a corner, I gotta stop, I gotta check traffic, I gotta come up. There's construction here, so this does build and create some anxiety, but we have to take our time. You need to set driving as a priority, just like I'm setting a priority to go live with you, to support you, to help you. Your instructor should be taking you through the processes because we're an adult too. We understand the intricacies of a child, paying a bill,